तो आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं इंडियन पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम जनरल इलेक्टिव सिस्टम का जो पेपर है उसकी आंसर की। इसका जो पहला क्वेश्चन है, हु इज़ द करंट चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया? ए पार्ट सुशील चंद्रा। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, हाउ मेनी सब्जेक्ट्स आर देयर इन द यूनियन लिस्ट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? बी पार्ट 97। क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, हाउ मेनी नेशनल पार्टीज आर देयर इन इंडिया करंटली? डी पार्ट 7। Question number 4, in which part of Indian Constitution are the fundamental rights mentioned? C part 3rd. Question number 5, how many functional rights do Indians have? B part 6. Question number 6 is the coalition form of government started in India after 1970. A part. Question number 7, why do we need to carry out electoral reforms? A part, for better participation of citizens. Question number 8, which article of Indian Constitution provides for the Election Commission of India? B part, Article 3 to 4. Question number 9, which party system is followed in India? C part, multi-party system. Question number 10, which of these is the main component of political party? D part, all of the above. Question number 11, which of these countries have B-party system? A part, England. Question number 12, what is the coalition headed by Congress known as? B part, UPA. Question number 13, full form of NDA, National Democratic Alliance. A part. Question number 14, full form of BJP. A part, Bharatiya Janata Party. Question number 15, who was the first chairman of Constitution Assembly of India? B part, Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. Question number 16, the elections for Lok Sabha are held every C part 5 years. Question number 17, the executive power of the union is vested in which of the following? D part, president. Question number 18, which is the largest Lok Sabha constituency in general elections by area? C part, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 19, the word secularism was added to the preamble of the Constitution of India by which amendment? 42, C part. Question number 20, new political parties in India are according to A part, election commission. Question number 21, in India local government is a subject of B part, state list. Question number 22, the fundamental rights have the sanction of B part, constitution. Question number 23, who has the power to issue rights? C part, Supreme Court. Question number 24, who we the people of India mentioned in the preamble of the constitution is closely associated with the following features of the constitution? B part, sovereign state. Question number 25, which article deals with center state relations in India? Article 245 and 293, B part. Question number 26, the prime minister of India is the chief of government? A part. Question number 27, in which of the following article provision of national emergency is mentioned? C part, Article 360. Question number 28, which party was known as the umbrella party in India in the early 1960s? A part, Congress. Question number 29, what is the full form of EVM, electronic voting machine? C part. Question number 30, what is the VVPAT? B part, voters verifiable paper audit tail. Question number 31, Jammu and Kashmir had a special status under Article 370, C part. The Constitution. Question number 32, the Constitution of India can be amended by Article 368, D part. Question number 33, directive principles of state policy are incorporated in which part of the government Indian Constitution? D part, part 4. Question number 34, when was Indian National Congress formed? C part, 1885. Question number 35, who was the first woman president of India? D part, Pratibha Patil. Question number 36, how many members can be nominated in Rajya Sabha by the president? B part, 12. Question number 37, who presides over the meeting of Lok Sabha? C part, speaker. Question number 38, in how many states a political party must be recognized party to become a national party? A part, 4 states. Question number 39, when was the Indian Planning Commission constituted? D part, 1950. Question number 40. Who launched the Aam Aadmi Party? C part Arvind Kejriwal. Question number 41. The concept of judicial review in our constitution has been taken from Constitution of B part USA. Question number 42. The unitary system of government possesses which of the following advantages? C part greater participation by the people. Question number 43. Political party that runs the government is A part ruling party. Question number 44. What is meant by defection? B part changing party allegiance. Question number 45. Which of the following is not a feature of election system of India? D part communal electorate. Question number 46 is the money bill can be introduced only in B part Lok Sabha. Question number 47. The state of emergency in India was declared in the year 1975. C part. Question number 48. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India? C part Chief Justice of India. Question number 49. Who is the chairman of Niti Aayog? A part Prime Minister. Question number 50. Which article of Indian Constitution gives power to the President to impose President rule in state? D part Article 356. Question number 51. Which state has the highest number of members in its state assembly? C part Uttar Pradesh. Question number 52. Total number of seats in the lower house of parliament is 1545. A part. Question number 53. What is the oldest high court in India? Which is the oldest high court in India? A part Calcutta High Court. Question number 54. Indian Union legislature is bicameral. B part. Question number 55. India is a quasi-federal country whose words are these? Casey Ware. B part. Question number 56 is which of the following characteristics is not related to federal government? A part flexible constitution. Question number 57. In the federal government, A part all the powers are and functions are vested in central government. Question number 58. Which is the apex court in India? C part Supreme Court. Question number 59. Who is the first president of Indian National Congress? D part W.C. Banerjee. Question number 60. The federal system in India is adopted from B part Canada.